Did you say yucky?
By accident.
Hello, my friends. Welcome to today's video. Look at the smile. I'm excited. Today I'm going to be decluttering my daughter's bedroom. Actually, I will do it together with my daughter. It's going to be a father-daughter thing. It's going to be some bonding time. Yes, bonding over decluttering. Don't judge me. And it's going to be worth it. Yes, she's my daughter and she hears me talk about decluttering and organizing all day long. But I think she sees it for herself. She knows that a mess and clutter just causes her stress, just makes it harder to find things around her room, just makes it that her room is less cozy and comfortable. I do believe she gets it. Which leads me to the last point I want to make before we jump into the video. Parents, you and I, it's our responsibility to help our kids declutter and have a room that's comfortable, clutter-free, that enables their creativity, that gives them some peace of mind and calmness. It's our responsibility, not theirs. They're not quite aware of the connection between all their stuff and the potential stress it could cause. So do yourself a favor, watch this video, and then do a project and declutter your kids' rooms. Okay, let's get started. This is my daughter, Mala, and today we're gonna organize her room. And by organize, I mean declutter. And by declutter, I mean make it so it's not insanely messy. Is your room messy?
Yeah.
Now, how lucky are you to have Super Dad who can organize anything?
Quite a bit lucky.
Yeah? Did you say yucky?
By accident.
Every organizing project needs to have a system. What I like to do is I like to take as much things out of the room and make the room look pretty and inspiring and calm and beautiful, and then deal with all the mess outside by figuring out what to keep and what to not keep, what to donate and what to throw out. Now, before we start, these people need to see the before shots. So we're gonna take some before shots. Let's do it.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh.
Piano stays, the bed stays, the cute photos stay, but the clutter is gone. What do you think, Mana, right now?
It's nice, but I think it's going to be almost impossible to keep it like this.
We don't want it like this. We don't want it like this. Yeah, we don't want our kids' rooms to be sterile and perfect. First of all, they're never going to be sterile and perfect. Second of all, we want them to be full of fun and creativity. What we did in this project is, first of all, get everything out of the room. So now we can reintroduce the things that really, for lack of a better word, spark joy and make our kids happy and creative. Let's continue. So, where were we? Now your room looks a little empty.
Yeah.
What's the next step?
Well, the next step is decluttering.
Decluttering all the stuff that we put out. Yeah, there's like
a ton
of stuff outside the room. Now, the stuff the trick about decluttering is being able to let go of stuff that you don't use or don't need.
Yeah.
Okay? We can't put all that stuff back into the room, so we have to be a little tough when we're making these decisions.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, we're on the same page?
Yeah.
Yeah? You sure? Okay. This is the hard part of the project. Let's do it. No, better one. No, better one. A better one. That was the worst one. That was the worst one. That was terrible. We're just getting worse. Okay, let's go.
No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes.
So now, for the hard stuff, we're gonna go over everything and put it in 2 bins. 3 kind of, okay? One is keep. One is donate. And I have a garbage bag. The things that are obviously just needs to be tossed.
Keep, donate, garbage.
Yeah. Okay. Mixed up.
Keep.
Max Einstein.
Keep.
Far-fetched.
Keep.
Runaway Ralph.
Keep.
Okay. Call me Gibbonish.
I
Donate. Excellent. What about this elephant? You're very attached to it, or is there something that's been there forever? No? Huh? Keep?
Sure.
Of course, it's your costume. Well, it's probably gonna be small next year for you.
I mean,
This random thing?
nah.
Nah, I agree.
Keep.
Keep. Ghost?
Keep.
Babushka? Not really.
Keep. Keep.
Keep. Is that keep? Okay, look at that.
One bin done.
One bin donezo.
Not too hard.
Not too hard at all. Another hattie?
Don't keep.
Don't keep. That's this little project that you still didn't finish.
Another bin. Crush.
Shit. I have a question for you.
What?
How about a break?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're going through a bunch of artwork. Yeah?
Yeah.
And we love your artwork, but we're gonna decide which one is worth keeping. Holy moly. That's amazing.
We have a lot of no's.
We have a lot of notes. Here we are. We got some toys. Toys, toys, toys.
Oh.
Toys, toys,
Oh,
toys.
I forgot how many I had.
Toys, toys.
Toys.
Make room for this one.
So we're all done the decluttering and organizing. We're officially done. The room looks spectacular, if I may say so myself. Do you agree? Raise your sign. You agree? That's it. Mission accomplished. Now, honestly, was it hard work? Was it easy? Was it in between?
It was hard.
It was hard. We got to a point where we had to take a pause and have a snack. And then even when we came back, I was like, no, Mala, you've done enough. Like an hour or two of decluttering, you're free to go and I'll finish it off. And did I do a good job? Show me your sign. I did a good job. High five.